I'll be showing you how to use Undoubtable latex glue. So let's begin. So you can put on your stocking cap properly, make sure it's covering your hair, and then you go in with your rubbing alcohol to clean the edges so that there's no residue or any excess oil. So just to make sure that the glue sticks on better and perfectly. So I'll just be cleaning all my forehead like that, just to make sure that works. Then next, you want to put on your wig. Make sure it's sitting right the way you want it to be. Adjust it properly. Make sure the lace is where you want it to be. So check it. Then put it away from where you need to put the glue and go in with your glue. So this is my first coat that I'm putting now. I'm just flattening it just to let it clear quicker than. It dries quickly, so that's the good thing. So as you can see, some parts are already drying up. So I just go in again. My next coat on the dried areas, you want it to go clear. Yeah, it's going clear already. Ooh. Yes, so I can then add another one. So for now I'm going to be just staying with these 3 coats. You can use up to 6 if you like, depends on how strong you want the hole to be. Yes. Waiting for it to dry, to clear. Yeah, it's clearing already. Let's just blend that bit a bit more. Yes. Okay, so let's start laying. So I'll be laying, just sticking right on where the glue is and just pressing it in. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, going on with the other side now. Sticking it down, yes. I'm just so excited about this. Okay, that side, I need to restick it just to, yeah. Great. Imagine it's not moving and I've not even melted it yet. So I'm just melting it in a bit before I tie the band on the edges to melt it in. Yeah. A little bit of mousse just to sweep the hair backwards. Just a tiny bit of mousse. Then go in with your band around the edges. Make sure it's on the edges so it can melt it in. Yes, yes, it's not going anywhere, so we can start our styling while we wait for the band to melt in. So I'll say the band 5 minutes is enough. You can go under the dryer at this point, or you can decide not to. Style as desired. So by any means, if you, let's say you've gone out and you get rained on or something, or your hair gets wet, all you just need to do is to tie your band again on your edges so that it sticks back down till it dries. So you can use a hand dryer to dry it while you have your band around the edges, as I still have it in the video, and then it will stick back.